Hello traders and welcome back to my channel. So this is just a follow-up with the video I made yesterday during the FOMC, the uh, uh, the Federal Reserve Bank decision. So as I told you yesterday, so after placing the second order, a buy order, um, the price went up higher because of the hawkish sentiment of the investors. So the dollar got more momentum and rose higher, and that was exactly according to my expectations about the market. So as you can see here, I made some uh, gains. Yeah, as you can see here, um, the dollar went higher and crossed that level that uh, I told you that it should reach or cross out, and this is what exactly happened. As you can see here from the screenshots, the uh, the price hit the target, and moreover it also, so I made 1,900 uh, $3, which is very awesome. So as you can see here, the price crossed that level, and this is it. So hope you guys you had value off of my video. So if you have any questions on how to trade during the economic events, how to make your setups, and how to um, make or create a specific strategy. For doing that, I'll be happy to help you. Please leave a comment down below and ask me in a question if you would like to. Thanks for watching and see you later. Take care.